In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable location access for Perplexity on iPhone and view places on a map. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check your iPhone's settings, ask a location-based question in the Perplexity app, and open the results on a map for quick visual browsing. Let's start by confirming your iPhone is set to let the app use your location. Open the Settings app, then go to Privacy and tap Location Services. First, make sure Location Services is turned on at the top. This switch controls whether apps can use your location at all. Next, scroll down the list of apps and find Perplexity. Tap it and choose an access level that makes sense for you. For the smoothest experience, selecting while using the app is a great choice because it lets Perplexity access your location only when you're actively using it. If you see an option called Precise Location, consider turning it on to help the app identify places near you more accurately. If Perplexity doesn't appear in the list, open the app once, then return to the screen and check again. With that set, open the Perplexity app on your iPhone. In the search bar, type a query related to a place or local business. Phrases like coffee shops near me, pharmacies nearby, or best pizza around here work well. Including near me or a city name helps Perplexity understand that you want local results. After you submit your query, give it a moment to process. If the response takes a bit, that's normal. Just wait for the answer to appear. A stable internet connection will help things load more smoothly. When your results are displayed, look for a small map icon or a link that says View on Map. If you see it, tap it. Not every result will include a map option, but local searches typically do. If the map icon isn't visible, try slightly rewording your query to be more clearly location-based. A map will open showing relevant locations that match your search. You can pinch to zoom, pan around to explore nearby areas, and tap pins to see names and brief details. This view is especially handy if you prefer scanning options visually rather than reading a list. If nothing appears on the map, double-check that location services are still enabled for Perplexity, and try your search again with more specific phrasing. And that's it. You've enabled location access, asked a local query, and opened the results on a map, all set for quick, on-the-go decisions.